Okay, welcome. Let's continue learning Amharic. This is part 4 of intermediate Amharic. I think today is going to be a bit short, not because my battery is dying. So, to think is ማሰብ. To think ማሰብ. To eat መብላት. So, I'm thinking እያሰብኩ ነው. እያሰብኩ ነው. Like thoughtfully, okay? እያሰብኩ ነው. To think ማሰብ. Also, how would you say idea? I have one idea. አንድ ሀሳብ አለኝ. ሀሳብ. Idea is ሀሳብ. They are kind of driven from same word. To think ማሰብ. Okay? So, I'm thinking about you. ስላንተ እያሰብኩ ነው. Into woman. ስላንቺ እያሰብኩ ነው. Okay? What about we are thinking? እያሰብን ነው. እያሰብን ነው. እያሰብን ነው. ስላንተ እያሰብን ነው. or ስላንቺ እያሰብን ነው. long is ረጅም. okay? ረጅም. period of time is ጊዜ. so for long period of time is ለረጅም ጊዜ. ለረጅም ጊዜ. short is አጭር. so try to say for short period of time. ለአጭር ጊዜ. ለአጭር ጊዜ. okay? ለአጭር ጊዜ. how would you say I was thinking? እያሰብኩ ነበር. እያሰብኩ ነበር. so try to say I was thinking about our trip. ስለ ትሪፓችን. okay? our trip. I'm using the English term. so ስለ ትሪፓችን እያሰብኩ ነበር. ስለ ትሪፓችን እያሰብኩ ነበር. okay? I'm thinking about our trip. ስለ ትሪፓችን እያሰብኩ ነው. trip is ጉዞ. so try to say I'm thinking about our trip. ጉዟችን. ስለ ጉዟችን እያሰብኩ ነው. our house. ቤታችን. our kids. if it is one, ልጃችን. if there are many, ልጆቻችን. okay? ልጆቻችን. so I was watching football. ኳስ እያየው ነበር. ኳስ እያየው ነበር. okay? we were watching football. ኳስ እያየን ነበር. ኳስ እያየን ነበር. we were watching football. ኳስ እያየን ነበር. I was watching football for 2 hours. ለሁለት ሰዓት ኳስ እያየው ነበር. ለሁለት ሰዓት ኳስ እያየው ነበር. must is it's the same as አለብኝ. I have to or I should, but you add የግድ. ግዴታ is responsibility or የግድ. okay? obligation. ግዴታ is obligation. so የግድ አለብኝ. okay? I must is የግድ አለብኝ. so I must go. የግድ መሄድ አለብኝ. የግድ መሄድ አለብኝ. የግድ መሄድ አለብኝ. you must do it now. የግድ ማድረግ አለብክ or የግድ ማድረግ አለብሽ. we must go to Ethiopia. ወደ ኢትዮጵያ የግድ መሄድ አለብን. we አለብን. ወደ ኢትዮጵያ የግድ መሄድ አለብን. wedding is ሰርግ. so it's plural, so it's going to be our wedding. ሰርጋችን. our wedding. ሰርጋችን. so try to ask our wedding, when is it? ሰርጋችን መቼ ነው? ሰርጋችን መቼ ነው? Okay, it is ours or it belongs to us. የኛ ነው የኛ ነው This house is ours. ይህ ቤት የኛ ነው ይህ ቤት የኛ ነው Okay, so kid is ልጅ, so kids ልጆች in a plural form. So how would you say our kid? ልጃችን our kid ልጃችን our kids ልጆቻችን our house ቤታችን our houses ቤቶቻችን Okay, so family is ቤተሰብ family ቤተሰብ So I have አለኝ we have is አለን ን sound I think አለን So we have a family ቤተሰብ አለን ቤተሰብ አለን We have a lot of family in Ethiopia ኢትዮጵያ ብዙ ቤተሰብ አለን ኢትዮጵያ ብዙ ቤተሰብ አለን ኢትዮጵያ ብዙ ቤተሰብ አለን They is እነሱ They እነሱ So how would you say about them? ስለ እነሱ ስለ እነሱ ስለ እነሱ I'm thinking about them. ስለ እነሱ እያሰብኩ ነው ስለ እነሱ እያሰብኩኝ ነው ስለ እነሱ እያሰብኩ ነው Have a lot of families in Ethiopia. ኢትዮጵያ ብዙ ቤተሰቦች አሉኝ ኢትዮጵያ ብዙ ቤተሰቦች አሉኝ or you could say ኢትዮጵያ ብዙ ቤተሰብ አለኝ You can use the singular form just family and I was thinking about them ስለ እነሱ እያሰብኩ ነበር ስለ እነሱ እያሰብኩ ነበር How would you say she has አላት አላት So she has a kid in Ethiopia ኢትዮጵያ ልጅ አላት ኢትዮጵያ ልጅ አላት How would you say he እሱ So about him ስለሱ ስለሱ She is thinking about him ስለሱ እያሰበች ነው ስለሱ እያሰበች ነው To try is መሞከር To try መሞከር Okay, so she's eating እየበላች she's going እየሄደች she's looking for እየፈለገች she's watching እያየች she's trying መሞከር is the root verb she's trying እየሞከረች እየሞከረች What is she trying to do? ምን ለማድረግ እየሞከረች ነው Or simply what is she trying? ምን እየሞከረች ነው ምን እየሞከረች ነው She likes to try or she enjoys trying. መሞከር ትወዳለች መሞከር ትወዳለች He likes to try. መሞከር ይወዳል መሞከር ይወዳል I like trying. መሞከር እወዳለሁ መሞከር እወዳለሁ Okay, until now is እስከ አሁን እስካሁን She's trying until now She's trying she's eating እየበላች She's trying እየሞከረች እስካሁን እየሞከረች ነው እስካሁን እየሞከረች ነው Are you watching football until now? እስካሁን ኳስ እያየክ ነው or to a woman እስካሁን ኳስ እያየሽ ነው እስካሁን ኳስ እያየሽ ነው I'm watching እያየው ነው I'm trying እየሞከርኩ ነው okay so I'm trying to learn so usually when we have two verbs trying to learn is ለመማር እየሞከርኩ we have le okay trying to learn ለመማር እየሞከርኩ trying to do ለመስራት እየሞከርኩ I'm trying to do something የሆነ ነገር ለመስራት እየሞከርኩ ነው so we add le okay to on the second verb I'm trying to do ለመስራት እየሞከርኩ okay so I'm trying to learn ለመማር እየሞከርኩ ለመማር እየሞከርኩ okay so I'm trying to eat Ethiopian food የኢትዮጵያ ምግብ ለመብላት እየሞከርኩ ነው የኢትዮጵያ ምግብ ለመብላት እየሞከርኩ ነው I'm trying to learn Amharic አማርኛ ለመማር እየሞከርኩ ነው to learn is መማር but we add le ለመማር እየሞከርኩ ነው ለመማር እየሞከርኩ ነው okay so what is he doing so in Amharic we say what is he working on or what is he is working on እየሰራ ምን እየሰራ ነው ምን እየሰራ ነው he is building a house but in Amharic you are going to say he's working a house ቤት እየሰራ ነው ቤት እየሰራ ነው she's building a house ቤት እየሰራች ነው ቤት እየሰራች ነው she's trying to work ለመስራት እየሞከረች ነው ለመስራት እየሞከረች ነው she's trying to build a house ቤት ለመስራት እየሞከረች ነው ቤት ለመስራት እየሞከረች ነው she's going እየሄደች ነው እየሄደች ነው how would you say to buy something መግዛት so she's going to buy ለመግዛት እየሄደች ነው to buy is መግዛት so ለመግዛት እየሄደች ነው she's going to buy a new car new is አዲስ okay she's going to buy a new car አዲስ መኪና ለመግዛት እየሄደች ነው አዲስ መኪና ለመግዛት እየሄደች ነው how do you say to think ማሰብ so thinking እያሰብክ or እያሰብሽ so what are you thinking ምን እያሰብክ ነው ምን እያሰብክ ነው or ምን እያሰብሽ ነው but there is very common way of saying like what do you think okay so ምን አሰብክ what do you think in literally you are saying what did you think እያሰብክ አሰብክ for example you are going እየሄድክ you went is ሄድክ so እያሰብክ አሰብክ እየበላክ በላክ you ate you are eating you ate በላክ you are watching እያየክ you saw አየክ so you are thinking እያሰብክ you thought አሰብክ what did you think ምን አሰብክ so but the equivalent in English is what do you think but in Amharic we say what did you think ምን አሰብክ to a woman ምን አሰብሽ okay so So I'm thinking about it yet, or I'm thinking yet, meaning like I'm thinking about it yet. I'm in the process of thinking about it. ገና እያሰብኩ ነው, meaning I haven't made any decision yet. So I'm thinking it. ገና እያሰብኩ ነው. ገና እያሰብኩ ነው. So if someone asks you are going to church, and if someone asks you like, did you arrive? No, I'm driving it. ገና እየነዳው ነው. I'm driving it. ገና እየነዳው ነው. Okay? ገና እየነዳው ነው. Okay, so to say or to mean is ማለት. So ማለት. What does it mean? ምን ማለት ነው? ምን ማለት ነው? What does it mean? What does it say? ምን ማለት ነው? ምን ማለት ነው? What are you saying? Or what do you mean? ምን እያልክ ነው? Or ምን እያልሽ ነው? ምን እያልክ ነው? Or ምን እያልሽ ነው? Okay. What do you mean? ምን ማለት ነው? Or what does it mean? ምን ማለት ነው? What are you saying? ምን እያልክ ነው? Or ምን እያልሽ ነው? I'm saying እያልኩ ነው።